guys, welcome to Life Lessons with Physics. Now this is the continuation of my previous video where we talked about acceleration. Now how to solve numericals related to acceleration. Now as we know, formula of acceleration is v minus u upon t. Now we are going to use the same formula in these four different numericals. I have already written the data over here, already collected the data so that you don't waste time in watching this. Now here I'll write acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. I need to find acceleration. Final velocity given to me as 10. Initial velocity given to me as 2. Time is given as 4 seconds. Now here, when we look at it, what will be acceleration? Final velocity 10 minus initial velocity 2 divided by time 4 seconds. So 10 minus 2 is 8 divided by 4. That's going to give me 2 meter per second square. So here we complete acceleration, how to calculate acceleration. Now let's look at the data where you have initial velocity 0, time 10 second acceleration. I need to find final velocity. What I'll write, acceleration is equal to v minus u divided by t. I won't change for the time anything, I'll just substitute the values. Acceleration 5. Final velocity, no, I don't know. Initial velocity 0. What is the time given? 10 seconds. Now how do we solve these equations where we need to keep all the variables on one side, either right hand side or left hand side, and keep all the numbers on one of this side. Now here, since the variable is on the right hand side, I'll keep it on the right hand side. I take this number 10 here. So 5, if I take this number 10 on the left hand side, here it's division, it becomes multiplication is equal to v minus 0. Now v minus 0 is what? V minus 0 is v itself. 5 tens are 50. 50 is equal to velocity. Now this is velocity. What will be the unit? Meter per second. Here we complete finding final velocity. Now when we look at this particular numerical, we have initial velocity, we have final acceleration. I need to find time. Again I write the equation is v minus u divided by t. Acceleration is given to me as 20. Final velocity I have 10. Initial velocity I have 0. Time is given to me nothing. So here I need to find time. As I told you, we need to take the variables on one side. Now how to solve this equation? This is 20 multiplication by t, because it is division, it changes to multiplication, is equal to 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0 is just 10. So from here I'll do time is equal to 10 multiplication, so it changes to division, divided by 20. So 10 2s are 20 or cancel zeros, you get half is equal to 0.5. So what is that? 0.5 seconds. So here we are able to find time also. Now let's look at the fourth. Velocity 50, acceleration 10, time 2. Find the initial velocity. The sum can be framed in any words. Wherein a body accelerates to a final velocity of 50 meter per second in 2 seconds. Calculate the initial velocity of that particular vehicle. Here again, acceleration is v minus u divided by t. Acceleration 10. Final velocity 50 minus initial velocity I have to find out. Time given to me as 2 seconds. 10, bring this to here, 10 2s are 20, 50 minus u. So here this becomes 20 is equal to 50 minus u. You subtract 20 minus 50 is equal to minus u. So 20 minus 50 gives me minus 30 is equal to minus u. Minus sign gets cancelled on both sides. I have u is equal to 30. Now what is this u? I get 30 meter per second. So initial velocity was 30 meter per second. The vehicle is moving at 30 meter per second, accelerating at 10 meter per second. So in the 2 seconds it will accelerate to 20. So 30, it becomes 50 meter per second. So what do we learn from this? We learn that whatever kind of difficulties comes into our life, different type of difficulties that we need to solve and we need to accelerate in our life. I hope you like it. Thank you.